Hi, I'm Elisa, and today I'm going to show you how to create the perfect brow. Let's get started. These are the products you'll need. Brow serum, eyebrow brush, brow liner, and brow tint. To select the perfect shade, follow this guideline. For blonde hair, match the brow shade to the low lights at the nape of the neck. For light hair, the brow shade should be 1 to 2 shades darker than the hair color. For dark hair, match the highlights at the crown for brows that are 1 to 2 shades lighter. At night, use your lash and brow serum. Apply along your lash line as you would a liquid eyeliner, and in the sparse areas of your eyebrow. Use your eyebrow brush to push your brows up and out. Then map out your eyebrow shape. Step 1. Hold the brush beside your nose and lightly mark where the brow will begin. Step 2. Find your arch by following the diagonal line from the corner of your nose and across your iris. Step 3. Find your brow tail by measuring from the corner of your nose to the outer corner of your eye. Then underline your eyebrow and fill in with micro hair-like strokes. Next, apply your brow tint from the arch to the tail and in your inner corner. And just like that, you have the perfect brows. For more information, contact your Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant. Thanks for watching. Make sure and subscribe.